Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine and healthy. Today, students, we will discuss about change of voice. Any sentence might be active voice or passive voice. Active voice is a sentence in which the subject he, she, it, I, we, they, you performs the action. They are totally active in active voice sentences. And in passive voice, this subject, he, she, it, I, we, they, you, they become totally inactive. They become passive. And the work is done at its own. This is called passive voice. Okay. Now we will discuss the change of voice of present indefinite tenses. Usually we use, and you know it well, that in present indefinite we use first form of verb, and with he, she, or it we put s or es with the first form of verb. Okay, but when we change the present indefinite tense into passive voice, is, am, are will be used as helping verbs and with the third form of verb. Students, you have to keep it in mind. The third form of verb is used in all the sentences of passive voice. Okay. And the other thing is, in passive voice, object takes the place of subject and subject takes the place of object. Okay, and if we are going to read out this sentence, he punishes me. Me will become subject and it will be changed into I. We know it very well that from all these three helping verbs, we have to use am with I. I am punished by him. We have used third form of verb. I am punished by him. He has taken the place of object. I am punished by him. Okay, if we are going to discuss this thing, when subject will become object and object will become subject, what changes are? These subjects, me, him, as you see here, me, him, her, them, us, when they will be used as object, they will be like this. And when these objects will become subject, me will be changed into I, him will be changed into he, her will be changed into she, them will be changed into they, and us will be changed into we. Okay, and the third form of verb will be used according to the helping verbs of the specific sentences. Okay, we are discussing present indefinite. If we will read this sentence, we play the match. The match, it will become the subject. The match is singular match. They are not matches, and we have to use is as helping verbs. Helping verb and third form of verb is going to be used. The match is played by, we will be changed into us when it will become object. The match is played by us. If this sentence will be interrogative sentence, do we play cricket? Okay, do. As you know well, helping verb is always in the start when we have to make the sentence interrogative. Okay, do we play cricket? Cricket is singular object, so we have to use does with it. Does cricket played, play will be changed into third form, will be played by us. Does cricket played by us? Okay, her mother beats her. Her will be changed into she. She is beaten by her mother. Okay, they learn the lesson. The lesson is learnt by them. Learn will be changed into the lesson is learned by, they will be changed into them. They do not learn the lesson is not learned by them. Do they learn the lesson? Okay, we have to use helping verb in the start. Is the lesson learnt by them? And when it will be present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is basically we use is, am, are with the fourth form of verb. She is learning those letters. This is present continuous tense and active voice sentence. In present continuous sentence, when we will change the active voice into passive voice, is, am, are will be also used as in the active voice, but being will be used because we have to make any learning, telling, we have to make the verb third form. So for this purpose, being will be used in place of ing and third form will be used. Okay, she is learning those letters. Those letters will take the place as a subject. Those letters are plural, so we will use the letters are being. Learning has changed into being learned by her. She will be changed into her. He is not telling a lie. A lie is not being told by him. She is reading the newspaper. The newspaper is singular. The newspaper is reading will be changed into being read. The newspaper is being read by her. Children are pulling his shirt. His shirt is being pulled. Pulling will be changed into being pulled by children.